And brothers and sisters, mayong buntag o pitsinyo ang kanatong tanan. It is said that built environment affects the way we understand our realities in life. And the way we understand realities in life affects the way we believe. And the way we believe affects also the way we live. A good structure doesn't just happen over time, but it is a concerted product of good planning, of collaborative work, of many minds meeting together in order to become one. And this is indeed the opportunity that we are having now, that we are actually celebrating gifts. We are actually giving thanks to God for many gifts that we have received, especially here in the Archdiocese of Cebu. We received the gift of the person of Architect June, a renowned urban planner and architect, to be in collaborative work with the Archdiocese of Cebu in her pursuit to really propagate the devotion of divine mercy, and to celebrate that particular faith to the divine mercy. And that is why we are here to really offer and give thanks to God for this wonderful gift of collaboration. No less than the office of Architect June, who have expressed his commitment, unwavering commitment to help us out. Because we know that this work is not a work that is not easy, but a work that requires a lot of collaboration in different sectors so that we will see the fruition of this project. And the signing this morning is just one way of saying that the good Lord, the Senior Santo Niño, works marvelous ways. He inspires people. He touches people in order to work with Him. And this is just one of the many fruits and gifts that He has given to us. We know that our hearts are really committed to this cause. Our hearts are really inspired to really work hard for the completion of this project. We are looking forward for the 2021, and this is just one important step to really achieve that end, to really achieve the dream and aspiration. And that is why I welcome you all, especially to our friends from the media, to really witness and to help us out to really extend this effort, not just to this board, not just to this not just to the stakeholders, but as well as to everyone, because we are really in need of help from everyone in order to make this project a reality. Mayong buntag kanatong tanan, and I welcome you all.